The gorgeous 1200 by 900 mm Nuie Renay matte black offset quadrant enclosure will turn your bathroom into an exquisite haven. This eye-catching shower enclosure combines functionality and design to create a stunning focal point for any modern area. In addition to improving the appearance, the double sliding doors make the most of the available space in your small bathroom or ensuite. The elegant shape fits seamlessly into a corner, while the smooth sliding doors provide effortless access without opening out over your valuable floor space. This versatile shower cubicle is reversible, so it meets your design needs as either a left or right-hand enclosure. Whether your room is large or small, this offset quadrant enclosure is the ultimate space-saving solution. The bold black profile adds a touch of sophistication, while the clear safety glass invites natural light in, creating an airy and bright atmosphere. Experience the perfect blend of clean lines and inspired design, where comfort and beauty await you every day with the Nuie Renay matte black offset quadrant enclosure 1200 by 900 mm. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.